Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Amazon on the 10-minute time frame using technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like these videos, go to my website, sign up, or click down here in the bottom right-hand corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, guys, before we get into this trade, this was an epic one. I love when they work this easily. I mean, they don't all work like this, but when they do in Amazon, it's just one of those buy the dip moments. You just got to find the good spot before the bounce. Even if you had to add a couple times, we did get in here. Got a quick bounce in there or in this one of the two, but we were in and out, guys, for a couple bucks. I think it was $1.50, $2. Came back down, we rinsed and repeated. All right, so take a look at this. This is what because I have some people asking me, hey, how do you post your trades? How do you do this? So that's why I'm doing this video, guys. It's pretty quick paced. I tell people to have your, sell order, have your buy order. So you can get in, get out, whether it's a level 2 or however you're doing it. Just be ready to trade. So we're in at 10.10 and then we get in at 7.80. Our average price was 8.95. So we got in here on this candle. Let's open this up a little bit. Here on this candle and then when it dipped here. All right, some volume came in. I like that signal. You get some volume. You're hitting some bottoms here. You're into the lunchtime hour. Majority of the time, not the majority, it's still a 50-50 shot at the end of the day. But going into lunchtime, the volume's a little bit lighter. Actually, volume wasn't too bad today overall. But that's when you typically get a bounce. The SPY has to go up on these trades, and the SPY was grinding higher. As soon as the SPY was taken off, as I tell every guys, a market trade right here, everything started going up. So when the SPY started going up at 10 o'clock, let's look at Amazon. Did it go up at 10? 10 o'clock, straight up. In Amazon, everyone's dying to buy the dip. Oh my gosh, it's at 1770. They can't help themselves. So here they are, and then boom, off to the races, guys. So we're in this thing at 8.95. Shaking us up and down a little bit, but hey, great support on the Amazon daily time frame. Will it bounce? That's the million-dollar question. Will it bounce? I don't know, but great support. If you click on this chart, that's what I give to my members. Right there is great support. Look at this. See this big red candle, guys? That was the day when we were buying at the lows, all right? All right, check out the daily candle now when it closed. We picked this thing off right at the bottom. Look at that. Look at that nice tail. And this is actually not a true bottoming tail. I'd like to see more volume, but not a bad tail telling us maybe higher prices. But still, after a beatdown like this, I got to see more on the charts. Still back below the 150, but above the 200. Great area for a bounce right here, guys. Even 1758.22, great support. Man, great area, and that's why we took the trade. We're not taking trades because we're just slinging shit out there, guys. We're taking trades because there's actually good reasons to take trades. And sometimes they go against us. They really do. But when we get trades like this, guys, I got to share them. All right, and all you guys who want to be members, check it out. This is all it. All documented, everything, all right? And then I'm telling everybody, Amazon needs to close above 1769 area, then higher prices. If not, this can get ugly. SPY needs to move higher as well. And you saw that. SPY started moving, Amazon started moving, period. It's all a market trade. Then right away, guys, I'm getting out 1175 break even in place. I'm starting to chisel some off. I'm like, I'm done. That's it. Even if you had 10 contracts, you pulled off 5, guys, that's not a bad trade. All right? Not a bad trade. And then you go to 16. Sell some more. Now saying only holding a couple now. Amazon calls. Keep the stop under 10 bucks. All right. Market makers like that $10 number. They'll come down and sniff you out, and then next thing you know, they're at 20. And they just took you out at $9.99. So I would say keep it under that. Keep it under even 9. If they come back, just do a break-even stop. Who cares? You made money on the trade, even after getting out at 16. But instead, guys, they went to 18.49, and we were out. Beautiful trade on the day, guys. They even went to 19. That was it. At the end of the day, I don't know where they went. I think they came back a little bit, and then they popped up right at the end. But there it all is. That's how I put this stuff in. I try to keep everything as organized as possible. So if someone clicks on this trade, they're like, oh, okay, you got in here. All right, bookie's out of this trade. All right. And then this too. Here's another one. Let me see. All right. Let me pull this up here. Just trying to see. Okay. We do a ton of puts, short calls, puts, scalp trades. We lost on these two. Got nothing to hide, guys. Look at all these short puts on the SPY. Some of them for 50%, some for 20%, some of these puts for 100%. all over the place. But if you took an average price of 1,000 on each one, guys, and you're making 200 on each one, we just did like 60 something winners, guys, with about 7 losers. If you take every trade with $1,000 or 1,500 or right around that area, you're making money. You are. And there's a bunch more on this list. And I'm almost ready to do another video to show you guys. There's still a couple that I'm in. Some are in the money, some are out of the money, some we already pulled half off. I'm a big believer, guys, in pulling half off, you know, when we're in some trades. So, but yeah, that was a real good one today, guys. Had to share that with you. We added some more to a couple other trades, upside down a little bit. There's some swing trades, but that's, you know, on earnings, you know, earnings 50-50 shots. We do like to play those, but we go small a lot of times with shares. Next day might, you know, maybe write some calls or short some calls. Do something like that. But intraday action, guys, wow, just killing it lately. And that's kind of the stuff you want to do right now in these markets. You want to be in and be out, because we could wake up tomorrow to a huge gap up. We could wake up tomorrow to a huge gap down. Then I'm thinking gap down, but we'll see what happens. Doesn't matter either way, guys. We're locked and loaded, ready to go tomorrow, regardless. All right, all our short-term trades are off except for one. And that's, you'll find out tomorrow if that one pays off. If we bomb tomorrow, that one's going to pay like no tomorrow. So, all right, guys, thanks again for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to sign up, guys. $30 a month. I just showed you 20-something winners, and this big winner today, guys. Even though we pulled some off at $11.75, these still went to $19 right here. And we pulled it off because we're at double top. I'm not going to fart around. SPY was at double top. This was coming to double top. I'm done. And then they kind of chopped, and then we'll see what happens. A little bit down. Some markets are a little bit down after hours, but we'll see tomorrow how these play out. I mean, I'm out. Like I said, I don't care either way. But let's, you know, I just like to see, was that the move? You know, if I sold it, was that the right thing to do? You know, and sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. But guys, 9 to 18 or 19, come on. If it goes up, great. If it comes back up here, we'll short it again. I don't care. All right, guys. Thanks again. God bless. See you on the charts.